Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you an overview of the task list screen. The task list screen shows all the tasks that have been created. The task list is a working list to help manage the workflow and remind users of important tasks that must be completed. Users are able to create tasks for themselves, or they can create and assign tasks to other users within the practice. If the practice is set up for pathology, the electronic pathology results will also import and display under tasks. The practitioner will be notified as soon as new results are available. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the communication segment. The switch history screen will open. Click on the Tasks tab on the navigation bar. The task screen will open. Please note that the tasks that appear will only be those that have been assigned to the logged in user. An explanation will now be given for all the options on a task screen. Search for a task allows the user to look for a certain task using patient information, task name, and task number, among many other things. Click on the Search for Task field. Type the details that the user would like to use to search for the task. Click on the Refresh button to reload all the tasks and to see any new tasks that have been allocated to the user. Click on the Load More Tasks button to load incoming tasks that have been assigned to the user. Click on the Sort All button to sort the tasks according to the priority that have been assigned to the task. Click on the Auto Dialer button to open the Auto Dial settings screen to perform call tasks that have been assigned to the user. The Auto Dial settings screen will open. For an extensive explanation of how the Auto Dialer settings work, please refer to the Auto Dialer user manual linked in this video's description. Please keep in mind that only practices that have been configured for VoIP calls will be able to use the Auto Dialer feature. For more information regarding VoIP calls, please refer to the VoIP Call user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the My Tasks button to view all the tasks that have been created by the user and the tasks that have been assigned to the user. By default, the screen will open to show My Tasks. Click on the All Tasks button to view all the tasks of the user of the practice. The task screen will update to show all tasks. Next, we will look at task creation. Task creation allows the user to create new tasks either for themselves or for someone who they would like to perform the task. Click on the Task Creation panel. The Task Creation panel will expand. Click on the plus New Task button to create a new task that will be added to the task list. The Task Item Workflow Event screen will open. Alternatively, click on the Search Data by Name, Surname ID, Medical Aid Number field to enter the desired search criteria for the data for whom the user wishes to create a task. Click on the Search Data by Name, Surname ID, Medical Aid field number. The list will shorten as the user types. Only one character is required for the list to show. Select the desired data from the list that has become available. Click on the plus New Task button. The Task Item Workflow Event screen will open and the data that have been selected will be linked to the task. For an extensive explanation of how to create a new task, please refer to Create a New Task user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to close the Task Item Workflow Event screen without saving. Click on the Save button to create the task and close the Task Item Workflow Event screen. Lastly, we will look at Filter. Filter allows the user to create and classify tasks based on their current status. Click on the Filter panel. The Filter panel will expand. Tick the corresponding checkbox for all the task list items that the user would like to show on the list. Untick the corresponding checkbox of the task list items that the user would like to hide on the list. Please note that once the task list item has been ticked, the color of the checkbox will change to blue. Blue indicates the task list item will be included on the list. Gray will indicate that the item has been unselected and will not be visible on the list. Click on the Show All Groups button to include all tasks in their respective groups on the task list. Click on the Hide All Groups button to exclude all tasks in their respective groups from the task list. Click on the Date Pickers to add dates from and to which the user would like to sort and filter tasks on the task list. The Dates Picker will open. Click on the desired date to make a selection. Please note, as the from and to dates are selected, the task list will update automatically according to the dates that have been selected. The to date will be automatically selected to 7 days from today's date. Click on the desired task priority button once to filter the task list according to the priority that have been allocated to the task. Gray means that no priority has been allocated to the task. Blue means low priority, the task is not urgent or of great importance. Green means normal priority. The task is a general task that should be completed as soon as the more critical tasks have been completed. Yellow means high priority. The task is of great importance and should be attended to as soon as possible. Red means very urgent priority. The task should be looked at immediately and takes preference over all other tasks. Click on the desired task priority button a second time to remove the filter. The list will update automatically according to the filters that have been selected. Please note that the user has the option of sorting the task list by more than one priority filter. Click on the Show Snoozed Task button to display tasks that the user has snoozed, which means the due date and time have been changed by the user who has claimed the task.